how to Roblox account fix and Roblox update. First of all, your Roblox app, tap to Roblox app, then show your app, get Roblox update. The new first of all your phone setting, then phone setting and type to apps and search the Roblox app, then you Roblox app, tap to your data clear data and delete, then you permission the all allow camera contact and microphone allow and notification all of allow. Then you go to your Google Play Store. You search the Google Play Store Roblox app, then show you Roblox app and update button and update your Roblox app.